Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, I'm Tina, and today we're diving into something super exciting: remote jobs at Marriott. Yes, you heard me right. Who wouldn't want to work for a legendary brand and enjoy the flexibilities of working from home under different job categories? These guys have corporate, they have hotels, they have talent acquisition. You know what? Just grab your snack, get comfy, and let's dive in exploring these job opportunities together. First things first, let's talk about the brand we're dealing with here. Marriott International isn't just a hotel, it's a staple in the hospitality industry, known for its commitment to quality services and welcoming atmosphere. So, as you can see, they pride themselves as the number one leader in hospitality worldwide. Marriott International has 30 plus brands in its portfolio, and they are still growing. Explore our global hotel brands and see where your journey begins. So feel free to explore this and see the brand we're talking about and their partnership, and decide if you are interested in an environment like this. All right. Moving on to the career board, they have under here, they have hotel jobs, they have corporate jobs, flex talent solutions, and early careers. Let's take our time to explore this one after the other. Under the hotel jobs, when you click on it, it's going to ask type of position, or if you have MOS code, you want to put it here, and you want to set by location as well. And then it gives you every information about the job openings. For instance, here is the host. They have openings for host. If you are interested in being a host, you want to click on find these jobs. Okay, it brings you here where they showing us that they have up to 210 jobs, and this is worldwide. They have opening in Thailand. If you're someone in Thailand and you're interested to join this great brand Marriott, you have an opening in Hua Hinds. They have in Tunisia. Tunisia is in Africa. They have in Malaysia. Here in United States, in Florida, there's an opening. They have in District of Columbia, Washington, United States. They have in Chicago, Illinois, United States, Arizona, Florida, Texas, Tennessee. Okay, so if you live in any of this city and states, you want to check this out and give it a shot. Okay, for instance, let's say we're applying for the job of assistant banquet manager, and we just click open. It brings you to this page where it says apply now. All right, you click on apply now, but before then, I would strongly suggest that you go through the job summary. It says entry-level management position that assists in leading the banquet staff while personally assisting in executing events based on requirements and standards. Assist in developing and directing teams to provide consistent, high-quality services. Go through to see the education and experience. If you meet any of these qualifications, why not? I would strongly suggest that you apply. Here, they only want high school diploma or GED, 2 years experience in event management, food, beverage, or related profession. Come on now, we've had a lot of us work in different restaurants, and we've done this more than 2 years. We can just put all these skills together, because what most of us get discouraged on, it's when you look at the experience, or you're already reading yourself out and you tell yourself, no, I don't qualify. Why not? Why not you? Just simply put in your skills of experience in the past together, you will be amazed in how overqualified you could be for some of these jobs. And this is the core work activity: supporting management of department operations and inventory. You're going to assist in managing department inventories, maintain attendance log for banquet employees, maintain reinforce all standard policy, ensure employee awareness, other supplies for the department. Just read through, assist in scheduling banquet service staff to focus and service standard, and participating in and assisting in leading banqueting. These are just all about banquet, functions. And you also are providing customer service at the same time, because you're dealing with a lot of customers walking in, coming for these functions. And the hourly rate, guys, you get paid for this position from $24 to $27.4. Okay. And they went ahead to offer a bonus program, comprehensive health care benefits, 401k plan with up to 5% company match, employee stock purchase plan at 15% discount, accrued pay time off, including sick leave where applicable. They also have life insurance, group disability insurance, travel discount. Oh my God, if you love traveling, adoption assistance. They also offer paid parental leave, health savings account, flexible spending account, tuition assistance if you are in school, guys. Check it out. And they also offer pre-tax commuter benefits and other life and work wellness benefits. Okay, benefit may be subject to generally applicable eligibilities. All right, they may also have waiting period, contribution, and other requirements. But guys, who wouldn't want to check out opportunities with a brand as theirs? So, lovelies, moving forward, we just looked into hotel jobs. As you all see, we didn't do justice to what they have available. Take your time, do your research, and explore what suits your personality. Okay, this right here, it's a program they have. They call it Flex Talent Solution, where if you sign up, they're gonna be sending you emails when something comes up. So if you sign up here, they say let's keep in touch. You join the talent community, and then once a job opportunity comes in your field, you'll be one of those first to get it. All right, that's what this Flex Talent Solution is for. They also have this they call earlier careers. Well, this is about those who want to start like from them. This usually don't require any work experience. You can do internship with them, and from there, you work your way up. You can also do like apprenticeship, where you learn stuff and you work your way up. This is more like giving them your word that I'm going to stick with you no matter what. Then you have all these programs that you can start with them from. And then the other one here we need to also take a quick look at will be corporate jobs. If you click on these corporate jobs, they have lots of corporate jobs. Search by locations. You want to just go do the search, and it brings us to this option right here. Depends on your location and what is available. All right, I will first of all make sure it's remote. All right. We can also just choose all of them so that we have options in case there are people who are still interested to go into the hotel. All right, and then you want to look here, your province depends on where you're living in. If you're in Bangkok, that's in Thailand, they have opening. Berlin, California has 1, Berlin has 4, Cork has 7, Jakarta has 2, Florida has 6, Georgia has 1, Haryana had 8, Hawaii has 5, Jos all the way down. Look through. Okay, look at this. Maryland has 55 openings. For instance, let's assume I'm living in Maryland. So I'm clicking on this, and it brings me to this open because I already filtered with Maryland. And what I have right here are openings in Maryland. Look at that. Area sales leader, Atlanta. And this is remote. All right. See, the office is 7750 Wisconsin Avenue, Bethesda, Maryland. All right. And it's remote. So you want to click on this apply now button to come to the job details if you are someone interested on this particular job. All right. The job summary, it's provide leadership and direction to a team of area-based property sales associates to grow account share and drive revenue across hotels with regional priorities and overall segment strategies. So feel free to read through what it is about, and here will be candidate's profile, education experience requirements. So in other words, these are basically blank. You fill it in. It's like someone giving you a blank check. Fill whatever you have in there. Requirements. They require high school diploma or GED, equivalent 4 years experience in sales marketing, or 2 years degree from an accredited university in business administration, marketing, hotel and restaurant management, and all of that. So read through and see, does any of this requirement relate to you? Is this something you can comfortably handle? All right, and then they prefer 4 years bachelor. Of course, prefer is not required. Those the core work activities, what you're gonna do, manage sales activities, and these are the breakdown details of what it takes. You're also gonna be building successful relationship. These are the breakdown: develop and manage internal key. There's leadership expectation, on your side, and candidate must reside within the market where they specify. Can you imagine, guys? This is why they're brand. They are big time brand players. They said the salary range for this position is 113,000 to 151,000 annually. Guys, if you think you have what it takes, the next you want to do is apply now. Click on that apply button and it brings you here. Okay, and it says use your email, use your phone number. Soon as you put your email, you agree to them and click, you're going to receive an email that will walk you through step by step. All right, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions on applying to any of these job openings with Marriott. And that's it. Remember, pursuing your dream job doesn't have to be tied to a desk. With opportunities like those at Marriott, you can travel, live your best life, all from the comfort of your home. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments if you are planning to apply. Catch you all next time, and good luck with your job hunt.